Tired of playing detective, trying to figure out where your important documents are in the signing process? Well, this video will cut through the confusion and show you exactly how to authenticate and track your DocuSign envelope status online in just a few easy steps. First, let's authenticate our access. Open your web browser and navigate to the DocuSign website. Click on the Login button, typically found in the upper right corner. Then, enter the email address associated with your DocuSign account. Click Continue. Now, enter your password and click Login. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, follow the prompts to verify your identity. Once you are logged in, you'll be taken to your DocuSign dashboard. Here, click on the Manage tab at the top of the page. This is where all your envelopes live. You'll see a list of your envelopes. Look for the specific envelope you want to track. You can use the search bar to find it by recipient name or subject line. Notice the status column. This tells you the current stage of your envelope. To get more detailed information, click on the envelope you are interested in. This opens a detailed view. Scroll down to the Activity section. This is a complete audit trail, showing every action taken on the envelope, including when it was sent, viewed, signed, and completed. You can also filter your envelopes using the Filters option to quickly find envelopes based on their status, like waiting for others, completed, or declined. For on-the-go tracking, download the DocuSign Mobile App and log in with your credentials. The app provides the same envelope tracking features as the website, right at your fingertips. Now you can monitor your documents with ease, ensuring nothing gets lost in the shuffle.